This is a quick video to show how to navigate Canvas to look for e-learning day materials. So when a student has a snow day, they're going to get on the Brown County Schools website and click on the quick links in the upper right-hand corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and they want to go under Students and click on Canvas for Canvas Student. Now they may have to log in on their home computer with their username and password, that is their Brown County Schools website password. It will pop up a dashboard once they've logged in, and it'll pop up with their courses. Now, your student may not have as many courses as I do. They may only have 1 or 2 or 3 pop up. They should have at least one called homeroom. Now, each teacher's homeroom might look a little different than the other grades. For the example of this video, I'm going to show off this homeroom 3 for 3rd grade. So the student's going to click on their homeroom, and every teacher should have a welcome page. On their welcome page, they should have a direct link to their materials for e-learning day. It's a little blue link, and everyone should have named it e-learning day. So you're just going to click on this little blue link, and it takes them straight to a module that has all of their assignments. Now, each of these assignments has to be opened up to get instructions. So they click on the first assignment, and they give you instructions that says go to Clever and get on Spelling City. Now, Clever is another site we use, and they linked it right here, so you can click right here on Clever. Again, the students may have to log in using their Google, not Clever, Google account. And it'll take them to all these different websites, and it should straight link them once they log in. So if the student's going to get on Spelling City, they're going to find Spelling City right here at the bottom. And they'll click on it, and it'll take them to the Spelling City website. Now, students finish assignment, they just go back to the home button and click on e-learning day again to find the next assignment. Some of these assignments are all linked through Clever, so iExcel is another website we use on our Clever page. Not all assignments will be on Clever, though. Some of them will be links to other websites, such as our Ascend Math flashcards. And you open that link, they've linked straight in there, and it'll take you to a different website. And this one says, practice the multiplication facts you run for 10 minutes. Once you've finished all assignments in a module, your e-learning day is done. You have up to 7 days to complete all assignments in here, so don't worry if you don't get them all done in one day. Not every homeroom learning day module is going to look like this. It just depends on the grade level. So for example, if we go to a kindergarten homeroom, we click on their e-learning day, they have a couple different things. If I click on just language arts, it pops up with just some instructions. Practicing Star Wars, alphabet, reading, writing, and listening to a story online. And some teachers send home a checklist. This is an example for a kindergarten learning day checklist that the students have already been sent home. Here's an extra one to access if you forget it. And the students will fill out this type of checklist on their e-learning day and bring it back to school. And that is how you access their homerooms for their e-learning day content.